we're in Northwest Arkansas, so home of Walmart. I took my first paying customer November 15th of last year. So we're not quite at a year, but really the first 4 months were nothing really happened. I mean, we're talking less than $1,000 a month in revenue. Just me driving a 2003 Toyota Tundra, clean and solo. Um, as some of you know, I got an opportunity to clean some Airbnbs, and that kind of got revenue coming in the door so we could start going our residential. I mentioned in the chat, we grew really fast and to like 10,000 a month in revenue. And then my teams were running without me. My team was running without me and just kind of dropped the ball. It was my fault. And we had, trying to think, it was probably 13 customers, residential customers canceled in less than a month. It was like a 3-week period. And one of them was like over $1,000 a month. So we lost a bunch, and it was all on me. I ended up letting that team go because there was kind of some attitude issues there as well. And right when this happened, I let my team go. When I say let my team go, the day we had the baby, we went to the hospital to get induced, and that's the day I let my team go.
Wow.
And at the hospital is when I decided that I was going to take the Profit Cleaners course. So then hopped on the course, started fixing some systems, getting things in place, and we had dipped down to I think it was $2,300 in monthly recurring revenue is what we had come down to, right like at the end of June into July. And since then we've bounced back. We just had our biggest month ever. We do Airbnbs, but we had our biggest month ever this past month. And man, it's a whirlwind. But I feel like the biggest thing is, because I'll talk with other cleaning owners, and what we run into is you really have to trial and error it. Like Ty was saying different things that he likes to do, and I'm like, oh, I love doing that stuff. And Brandon will say things, and I really feel like it's trial and error. And that first year for me has just been the learning experience. Like there's not necessarily a right or a wrong way. Just figure out what you like, and every market's a little bit different. And don't beat yourself up either over the growth. I talk to people, I'm like, man, y'all are doing much better than me. And I'm a year in and you're 3 months in. But it's been good. And the go through the whole course. I've gone through the whole course twice now, and like watched everything, gone through it all twice. And there's so much in there that I've been able to implement that has seriously helped, like just an insane amount with us in systems and making sure everything is up to snuff.
That's amazing, man. Wow. That's a huge win. Like I'm just curious if you don't mind sharing, what's your revenue up to now? What
Yeah,
that
so I try not to add in the Airbnbs that I take care of if I can help it, because it's a big chunk of revenue. But this month we're set to do $9,256 for this month. And that's not the Airbnbs I manage, which is between 6 to 8,000. We do a ton of turnarounds. That's between 6 to 8,000 a month
wow.
on that side. So our top line's hovering between 16 to 18, kind of in that range, thousand a month.
Wow.
And like I said, we had a huge drop off. Like our June, July revenue was super bad because we lost so many customers. I didn't charge people. Like I probably didn't charge $1,200 to $1,500 worth of cleans in the month of June because of poor quality, where I didn't charge the people because they did such a poor job, my cleaners. So
Wow.
since then we have made a impressive comeback. So
Yeah, but I love that. You like stuck to your guns. You didn't give up. You didn't curl up and go in the closet and say, I give up. You were like, what can I do
oh,
better?
I
Right.
did.
Or maybe you did for a while. Maybe you did for a while, but I'm saying you came back out swinging and look where you are now. And that's like the power of progress and just coming back and not giving up. And I just think like if we can all learn something from you, Wesley, like that's it, man. It's persistence. It's don't give up because
Yeah.
there's
And
always a way.